Welcome to this video on ERP versus accounting software. We will explore when it is time to upgrade your business to SAP Business One, presented by Kabeer Consulting Group, a global SAP partner. Accounting software is a common starting point for growing businesses, but operations rarely stay simple. While it handles basic financial tasks well, increasing sales and complex purchasing often mean your business needs more control than simple accounting software provides. Think of the difference between a ledger and an engine. The ledger looks backward to record financial value, while the engine looks forward, connecting finance directly with operational actions like sales, inventory, and manufacturing in a single system. In this video, we identify 7 warning signs that your business has outgrown its accounting software. Uncontrolled complexity is the true enemy of growth. The first sign is the Excel workaround. When departments rely on isolated spreadsheets to track inventory or orders, you're essentially operating a fragmented system. SAP Business One replaces this with a single integrated environment. Second is the inventory illusion. As your business grows, you need more than just financial figures. You need to track batches, serial numbers, and specific locations. SAP Business One makes inventory a true management tool. Third, the departmental divide. When sales and finance work separately, it creates friction. A connected SAP Business One flow ensures an unbroken transaction process from sales order to final payment. Fourth, the manufacturing bottleneck. When you need to coordinate complex production, an accounting app isn't enough. SAP B1's material requirements planning evaluates inventory and forecasts to guide procurement and production. Fifth is the reporting tax. If your team spends too much time manually reconciling spreadsheets, your systems are the problem. SAP B1 offers built-in analytics across all departments from day one. Sixth, warehouse complexity. If you manage multiple locations, you need more than central accounting. You need dedicated warehouse management to track stock transfers and picking workflows effectively. Seventh, the pace of growth. Growth is positive, but uncontrolled complexity is not. Adding more customers and products will eventually break a system designed for a smaller volume of activity. This capability matrix highlights the clear differences between basic accounting software and the full operational power provided by SAP Business One. However, it is important to know when not to move to SAP B1. If your operations are simple and your current systems meet your needs, upgrading may only add unnecessary cost and complexity. The inflection point arrives when you are managing an interconnected operation. That is when SAP B1 becomes the logical next step for your business. Finally, remember the implementation blueprint. Don't just start with software modules, start with your business. Success is determined by careful evaluation. Thanks for watching. The first phase of the evaluation framework focuses on your business itself. Document your current processes across sales, purchasing, inventory, and finance. Then, identify existing pain points like data silos or reporting delays, and clearly map out your future requirements, including expansion and manufacturing needs. Phase 2 centers on infrastructure. You must prepare your data for migration, identify necessary integrations with tools like e-commerce or CRM, and define user access requirements. Finally, select an implementation partner who deeply understands your unique business processes. Don't wait for a crisis to occur. The right time to transition from basic accounting software to SAP Business One is not when your system stops working, but when your business has successfully outgrown the capabilities your current software was designed to manage. Let's make things happen. We invite you to explore an implementation approach built specifically around your actual business processes. For support or more information, please reach out to the Kabeer Consulting Group using the contact details shown on screen.